Windows 10 support is ending in just 3 months. And if your PC can't upgrade to Windows 11, you might be wondering, what now? Do you really need a new computer, or is there another way? Many users are stuck with older PCs, unsupported CPUs, TPM issues, or missing secure boot. But before you spend hundreds on a new setup, let me show you your real options. Option 1. Risky route. Some people plan to keep using Windows 10 past the support deadline. Sure, your PC will still run, but you'll miss out on security updates. That means more risk, especially if you're connected to the internet. Option 2. Upgrade hardware. You could upgrade your CPU, motherboard, or even the whole system, but that's not cheap and not worth it for everyone. Option 3. Switch to Linux. Linux is free and works great on older machines, but let's be honest, it's not for everyone, especially if you are used to Windows apps. So what is the best option? Here is the smart solution: Windows 10 LTSC, long-term servicing channel. It's lightweight, fast, and supported until 2027 or even 2032, depending on the version. LTSC removes bloatware, ads, and unnecessary updates. It just works. Perfect for older machines that need stability and speed. Now, LTSC isn't meant for regular consumers, but it's available online for testing. And if you use it responsibly, it can give your old PC a new lease on life. No need to panic or upgrade right away. If you want a full guide on how to get and install LTSC safely, hit that like button and subscribe. I'll walk you through the entire process in my next video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Have a good day.